How to enable screensaver on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn on and customize your screensaver in just a few steps. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Display to open the display settings. At this point, scroll down and tap on Screensaver. Let me show you. In the next step, toggle on Screensaver to enable it. From there, you'll see a few options for what to display: colors, photo table, photo frame, and clock. At this stage, tap on whichever option you prefer to customize what shows up. Following this, if you select photo table or photo frame, tap on it to choose which album or photos you want to display. At this stage, select your preferred option and you may preview it. The screensaver will now activate based on that setting. Here's an important note. The screensaver only appears when your device is idle and either charging or docked. It won't show up during normal use of your phone. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable screensaver on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.